In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GitHub zip files. Whether you're a developer looking to download a project to work on locally, or you're simply curious about how to obtain files from GitHub, this guide has got you covered. We'll walk through the process of finding, downloading, and saving GitHub zip files. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's head over to GitHub. It's the hub, no pun intended, where millions of developers store their projects. Upon arriving at GitHub, the next logical step is to sign into your account. Look for the Sign In button, which is usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on this will lead you to the login page. Now you'll be prompted to enter your username or email address. Make sure this information is correct to ensure a smooth login process. Once you've entered your username or email, the next field is for your password. Fill in your password carefully. Remember, the security of your account depends on keeping your password safe and not sharing it with others. After entering your password, it's time to press that sign in button. This is your gateway to accessing your GitHub dashboard, where all the magic happens. From here you can access repositories, interact with projects, and much more. Once you're signed in and viewing your GitHub dashboard, it's time to select a repository. A repository, or repo for short, is where all the files and revision histories of a project are stored. You can browse through your repositories or use the search function if you're looking for something specific. For this guide, we'll go ahead and select a predetermined repository. After selecting your desired repository, your next task is to find the Code button. This button usually sits near the top of the page, just above the list of files and folders contained within the repository. Clicking on this button reveals a drop-down menu with several options. Look for the Download Zip option within this drop-down. Clicking on Download Zip will initiate the process of downloading the entire repository as a single compressed file. This is particularly useful if you want to work on the project offline or if you need to transfer the files elsewhere. Finally, you'll be prompted to save the file. A dialog box should appear asking where you want to save the zip file on your local computer. Choose your desired location and confirm. It's that simple. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully located, downloaded, and saved a GitHub repository as a zip file onto your computer. This simple process opens up a world of possibilities for collaborating on projects, learning from other developers, or even starting your own projects. A few additional tips to keep in mind. Always make sure you have permission to use or modify the repositories you download, especially if you're using them for commercial purposes. After downloading, remember to extract the zip file using a file extraction program. This is necessary to access the individual files contained within. GitHub is a treasure trove of resources for developers. Take some time to explore other repositories, contribute to projects, or even start sharing your code with the community. That's all for today's tutorial on how to use GitHub zip files. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out in the world of coding, mastering GitHub is an invaluable skill. Happy coding, and see you in the next video.